Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by verifying two essentials. Your iPad runs a recent iOS version and has at least a small amount of free storage. Once that's confirmed, force close Safari, swipe up from the bottom and flick the app away, and then restart the iPad to clear transient issues. Next, toggle airplane mode on for about 10 seconds and switch it off. This resets cellular and Wi-Fi stacks. These first steps often resolve DNS or session problems, so you can move to deeper fixes. Now focus on the network and configuration. You should forget the problematic Wi-Fi network and rejoin it, and if possible, reboot your router to clear cached routes. Make sure to disable any VPN or proxy because they can block pages. Then try loading the site on cellular data to isolate Wi-Fi issues. If problems persist, reset network settings to remove corrupted entries. This clears saved Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and VPN profiles, so make sure you have passwords handy before you proceed. Finish by clearing Safari's cache and website data in Settings, then relaunch the browser. This removes corrupted cookies or scripts that prevent pages from opening. If the issue remains, update iPad OS and consider removing or reinstalling any recently added apps that might interfere with network services. As a last targeted tweak, change DNS to a public resolver like 1, 1, 1, 1 or 8, 8, 8, 8 to bypass ISP DNS blocks. If none of this works, try the network reset again and contact your ISP or Apple support.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.